Eat, boy. Can't eat. Can't eat. Look at these tortoises. She's pregnant, I'm pretty sure. So I gotta add sand and substrate in here. Alright, YouTube, so. Oh, shit. Alright. Welcome back to the channel. Vlog number 24. So, today, we are one step closer to being. Oh, fuck. You knocked my phone down.
I didn't. You just whipped your arm across this way.
We one day closer from being able to talk about the good news. Or one step closer. The bitch gotta call us.
Why would you call her a bitch?
Yeah, she not
The
a
lady
bitch.
gotta call us.
The lady gotta call us. So, we'll see. But right now, we finna go get some food. We finna try this new, damn. This little food place.
There's no pancake spot by my mom's house. Hopefully it's good, because Danny used to be there and that closed down.
Denny's been closed down, bro. They had that bitch as a COVID testing spot for a while.
No, not there. They had a tent outside of it. That's the cold testing.
They was probably trapping out of Denny's and doing COVID tests in the parking lot. I should say, wow, this whole pull up behind me. What you say, man?
They gave me one strip of bacon and one fat ass sausage.
I think I'm gonna ask for regular fries.
It's like they just put the food in there.
I got a fried egg burger. And this got bacon pancakes. One piece of bacon, uncooked that sausage. No, it's fine. Let me try it.
This fat ass.
Not bad. These fries not it though. I'm finna ask for some different ones without this stuff on them. Yeah. Okay, YouTube. This what I. This what Anissa finished. What is this place called?
Stacks.
Stacks Pancake House in Melrose Park. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. So, Anissa ain't want me to say it in the restaurant. But Stacks Pancake House in Melrose Park, Illinois is absolutely fucking garbage. So, this vlog probably short. I've been getting some rest. I be tired as hell. Just animals and videos, so gotta get some rest in too. But let me grab this. So if this one work, which it does, this now goes to the Amazon tree boa, who is crazy aggressive. But there that goes. That looks way better. And now, let's take out my boy, the dragon himself. Look at this snake. Oh, damn. How you just roll the roach for it?
Oh, yeah. How you too?
Good thing she be saving roaches, because we be having a lot of weed, so I just be like, fuck the roaches, man.
Yo, I stopped
But now,
them though, but
yeah.
Like, yo, we got 2 jars full, basically.
I started coming through this bitch with the big weed. She in the back hating. So currently we waiting for some good news. We did a little something with a realtor, and hopefully we get some good news back so that we could share with y'all. But until then, we're keeping our mouths shut and just keeping the energy positive in the air. Now let's get into the video. I ain't been recording today because I just been asleep so that I could just wake up to the good news.
That's why you've been asleep. I knew it. This nigga been trying to be in the bed all day.
All day. So I could just wake up to marry the realtor. Hi, they
Shut up. You can't be saying her name.
I can't say her name?
No.
Then all the Marys in the world, all the realtors. I'm sorry, Mary.
Mary Black?
We didn't put your bitch. Probably.
How you doing?
Yeah, she sounds black. I never seen her in person.
You never looked her up.
Okay, is a black last name? Hell yeah. Never mind, okay.
You asking someone who don't know that, but.
Oh yeah.
Oh, but he ordered me my other books. Best Fiance Ever. I read this in a day.
Oh shit, she attacking y'all. Alright, let me take my snake out. This nigga might bite me.
The big thing?
Yeah. Every morning? Yeah. Hell yeah. Anisha said we gotta start preparing to wake up at 6 every morning when we move. So, whew, I can't wait, y'all. I can't wait for Sunday. We're going down to Georgia to see a couple of properties. So, we're gonna record all of them. And yeah, I just can't fucking wait. But, oh shit. Oh shit. Y'all see this, man? Can y'all even see that? The nigga picking his head up. Think he gonna try to bite me, babe? He looks so good. She said his shit bigger than the dog's dookie. Oh, he look like he wanna strizike me. Okay, so snakes are nocturnal, which means in the daytime she'll be a little nicer, but at nighttime he'll be a little nicer. But at nighttime he's fully active. He's ready to go, ready to eat. Nighttime is when they hunt. So I'm gonna use this as a snake hook. And I'm not gonna use it long. I just don't want to think this is food maybe and bite it or anything. So I just do this to get the food response away. And then I'm gonna reach in and grab him. He does not want to be handled.
Any more?
Oh, like I said, I don't really need a snake hook. Just gotta show him at first. Holy fuck, he's got huge. Just gotta show him at first. You're not feeding him. This is my giant reticulated python. He's a 7-year-old male, sunfire tiger, het albino reticulated python. And like I said, he's 7 years old, so he's gonna get definitely longer than this. Ugh. But this guy is a lot to handle by like one person. Holy shit. What's up, big dude? I haven't handled him in like a week and a half because I'm letting his food digest. He ate a big rabbit and then a jumbo rat right after that. So I'm gonna show y'all how long he is. Hooey. But like I said, for one person, this is a lot of snake to handle. Holy shit, look at that. It's got my whole leg. And just watch him stretch out. That's like a person, just here to here, and he still got to hold all this tail left. Let's see how long we are compared to him. Oh, where are you going? That's crazy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Oh yeah, this guy is awesome. And I can't wait to get a big female. Females get way larger than the males. So hopefully he gets to about 17 feet. But I've heard males get up to sometimes supposedly 30 feet. So that's ridiculous. in the light. I don't know if you can see how it reflects, but oh man. It's called iridescence. You can't really see it. Ooh. Beautiful, beautiful snake. Look at that head. Almost bigger than my hand. Probably bigger than yours, right, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Alrighty. I'm gonna put my big guy back and clean the poop out of his cage. He took a bigger poop than our pit bulls and Nikita, actually.
Mm-hmm.
Shit. Oh wait, let me. Actually, we'll do that with him over me. Babe, you think it's just a black thing that people keep a bunch of plastic bags? Or you think everybody do that?
Everybody.
Everybody do that?
Yeah, my mama does it.
Okay.
He said he can't slide.
Huh?
He said he can't slide.
Who?
Irks.
Oh, good. Oh, I got it.
Is he squeezing you?
Huh?
Is he squeezing you?
A little bit.
Looks like a belt.
Nothing I can't handle. Whew.
Oh, that's so cool.
He's getting huge, too.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you could really see it.
The iridescence?
Mm-hmm.
Fat ass. All right, buddy. Got some shed back here. Yeah. That's my giant articulated python.
He's moving so cool. That's how the floor was looking when I was off shrooms. Yo, he's raw.
Okay, so I think I'm gonna have Anissa smoke with me and talk on like a podcast, like vlog. I mean like video, a podcast-ish video. So we're gonna do that tonight. And I'm gonna give some food, just a little bit to the baby albino iguanas. And then in the morning we'll just feed everybody. And yeah, let's do that.